Is there anyone bigger than God? Is there anything bigger than God? Not at all. Let's look to Psalm 113, verses 4 to 6. How are you doing? Blessing and love coming to you from the island Jamaica. The Lord is high above all nations, and his glory above the heavens. Who is like unto the Lord our God, who dwelleth on high, who humbleth himself to behold the things that are in heaven and in the earth. So there's no one or nothing at all in the earth or in heaven or in the heavens that is bigger or higher or much mighty, hallelujah, than God. God created the heavens and the earth. Hallelujah. Have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And please remember that God is bigger than that situation.